kids. Let's learn the body parts. This is face. These are eyes. This is nose. This is chin. This is ear. These are eyebrows. These are lips. These are cheeks. This is tongue. These are teeth. This is forehead. This is neck. This is shoulder. This is hand. These are fingers. This is elbow. This is leg. This is toe. This is foot. This is thigh. This is stomach. Like, subscribe, and share.